Elephants, the largest land animals in the wild, have two different species, found in Asia and Africa. African elephants, living on the African continent, are larger in size, while Asian elephants are found in various regions of Asia. Elephants usually live in large herds and are social animals. There is a complex communication network among individuals in the herd, and they interact with each other. Adult elephants have impressively large outward curving tusks made of ivory. These tusks are used by elephants in various activities, but unfortunately have become targets for illegal poaching due to the demand for ivory. Elephants typically inhabit savannas and forested areas, but their habitats are decreasing due to habitat loss and human activities. This poses a serious threat to elephant conservation. Elephants are protected in many countries today, and various conservation projects are underway. These projects aim to protect elephant habitats, prevent poaching, and reduce human-elephant conflicts. The survival of elephants depends not only on protecting their habitats but also on collaborating with local communities, conducting awareness campaigns, and combating poaching. Elephants play an important role in ecosystems in the wild. Especially elephants living in forests carry seeds of trees, contributing to the regeneration of forests. By migrating to areas with water sources, elephants also benefit other wildlife species. These migrations are vital for other animals facing water scarcity. One of the most remarkable features of elephants is their extraordinary memory. Many scientists believe that elephants have long-term memory and can remember past experiences. Elephants use various sounds, body movements, and even scent secretions to communicate. These forms of communication are used for various purposes such as hierarchy within the herd, threats, or mating behaviors between mates. A female elephant is usually the leader of the herd and guides other members. Male elephants typically live more solitary lives and sometimes remain outside the herd, but they join herds when it's time to mate with female elephants. The feeding habits of elephants are largely plant-based. They typically feed on grasses, leaves, fruits, and nuts. They can consume up to about 150 kilograms of food per day. The digestive system of elephants allows them to break down and absorb plant material quite effectively. Despite consuming a large amount of food, their digestion is very efficient, allowing them to use energy effectively. The lifespan of elephants is usually between 60 and 70 years, but some can live longer. Lifespan is often dependent on living conditions, feeding patterns, and genetic factors. Elephants usually need to go to water sources daily to meet their water needs. This need for water is vital, especially for elephants living in hot climates. While traveling in herds, elephants typically have the oldest and most experienced members leading the way and determining the route. This is important for the safety and efficient movement of the herd. Natural enemies of elephants include lions, tigers, hyenas, and humans. Especially due to illegal poaching and habitat loss, humans have become one of the biggest threats to elephants. Defense mechanisms of elephants include gathering in herds to display a threatening appearance, making loud noises, and sometimes attacking. However, elephants are generally peaceful animals and resort to aggressive behavior only when they need to defend themselves.